Moonstone earrings, handcrafted in India and Denmark. I will try them and you see how it looks on me and you vote which one is the best design. I have only 3, 1 pair of each design. If you want it, comment below or DM me now. I do worldwide shipping. This is a drop shape and it's made in 2 pieces. It's dangling. This is so beautiful, delicate. And this one, these both are Indian made. This is very special. And we have this one is Danish design, very minimal. So simple, you can have it every day. Okay, that's it. Only 3 different shape of moonstone for moonstone lovers.